Alright, welcome back to Maris Tech YouTube channel, and today's tutorial I've now specialized in Zimbabwe. So you're going to be setting up all networks in Zimbabwe. So this is how you're going to be doing it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend. If it fails to work, just subscribe, then comment in the comment section. But I know what I believe you're going to, by the end of this video, you're going to be connected on all networks. You have NetOne, you have Econet and other networks. So let us continue to Google Play Store and download the Stark VPN application. So this is how you're going to be doing it. Download the application, download the application called Stark VPN. So that is the application you're going to be downloading. So after downloading and installing this application, you're going to install an additional application called, let me show you. You're going to install this application. Also, I need you to install two applications in your phone. Econet application. So download also the Econet application, and this is what you're going to be doing. Let us be heading to the Stark VPN application right here. Stark VPN application. And this is the application you're going to be using. You're going to be setting this application in Zimbabwe. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. Let us continue right here. Then you're going to come, after opening the application, you're going to come right there. Then we're going to come, let us first come here where I have none other elect. And let us first choose custom settings, and then let us come right here where I was telling you. Let us come right here where we have custom settings, and then let us come right here, and then let us come. We are going to come right here, and then we erase the www.snapchat.com and stuff. So let us continue to the application called Econet, which we downloaded earlier, and then I'm going to show you how you're going to be doing this. Come where we have the SNI generator, and then come where we have the search countries, and then type in Zimbabwe, and then you're going to be typing in Zimbabwe, and then wait for a few moments. That is an advert. This is an advert. Don't worry, let us wait for a few moments, a few seconds for this advert to exit. So let me be pausing the video, but it has finished. So let us continue to Zimbabwe. You're going to be seeing these hosts. These are the custom SNI or SSL hosts. I'm going to choose any of those ones. They are Econet hosts. I can be placing next to get the NetOne, and then other networks. We have Econet, and then let me show you a host which you're going to be choosing. That is an advert. Alright, we have Econet and NetOne, and then you're going to be choosing this host that will be working on Econet and NetOne. Then copy it as it is. You're going to copy. Let us go here where you have copy. Don't know what's happening. You're going to can be placing next and see other hosts, but I'm specifically on this one that works on Econet and NetOne. Now let us exit back to the Stark VPN application, and then you're going to come right where we have the custom settings right here. Here I have the SSL, and we highlight that one, and then we'll be pasting. I knew it isn't there. Let us go back to this one. I recommend you guys to just highlight, copy, then go back, continue the application, then select all, then paste. This port, don't put it there, just rub it, and then put here where that one. You have echo. Let us first highlight it and put it like this. Econet Zig SS. Let us write it like Econet, not Zig. SSH. Let us just write dot what? Let me check my clipboard. .com. And then we save. After, come here, we connect from, and then connect. Allow the VPN service. Wait for a few seconds. You'll see the application is working. It's connected successfully. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. The application is working, connected successfully with super speeds. As you see, it is working. I sign out.